In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DXTrade account. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to click on request a demo up top right. And then from here, you'll be able to basically choose asset classes for the platform. So you could do any of these, just one, a few of them, or all of them. That's completely up to you. And then you want to click on next step. And this is where you have to put in your first name, last name, your country code, and your phone number, your email, and then your company name. And then here you want to basically click on how we would describe your company as. So for example, you could do any of these here, and then you want to click on here if you want to receive the newsletter, and then click on Access X Trade or DXTrade. So what's going to happen is, of course, it's going to sign you into your account, and this is what you're going to see. So it's basically the trading platform, the demo version for it. And then if you want to go further, you could click on top right over here, click on open live account, and then you can open the live account via there. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.